Hey everybody, this is Eric for Planting Seeds for Life, and I just got done watching Gregg Carter's meet and greet. First of all, I want to say thank you, Gregg. I appreciate it immensely. Giving me the opportunity to be part of your community. Second of all, I want to say I knew that you had to be going through some kind of a tough time, and I didn't necessarily know what it was, but I never once thought that you weren't a man of your word. Thirdly, I just wanted everybody to know that we are going through some tough times here. And so I can identify, yesterday you released a video about being a rock, and it really resonated with me because last night I had to pull those people around me once again, and we took time away from the Super Bowl and spent time talking to the real rock, because in this life we have a lot of things happen, but we don't war against flesh and blood. And that's part of the reason why I do this channel, is because I want to plant seeds that give people hope and give people courage. Anyway, that's my 2 cents for the day. Thanks for watching. God bless, and see you next time. By the way, if you enjoyed this video, don't hesitate to subscribe, hit that like button, and click that notification bell so you can receive all of our future videos. And please comment and share. We appreciate all the help we get. Thank you once again, and God bless you.